Hey there! If you've got a project that involves digging, whether it's planting trees, putting up a fence, or setting a mailbox, then you know how much of a hassle manual digging can be. Today we're taking a look at the DC House 50-twatt 2.4 HP gas-powered post-hole digger to see if it's the tool that'll save your back and your time. Let's jump right in. Let's talk about the design. And this post-hole digger has a lot going for it. Here's what stands out. Powerful 50-tuck engine. It's equipped with a 2-stroke air-cooled engine that cranks out 2.4 horsepower. This means it can handle tough soil with ease. Plus, it's EPA certified, so it meets safety and environmental standards. 2 auger bits included. The digger comes with 6-inch and 10-inch auger bits, giving you flexibility for different projects, whether it's a small post or a larger tree. Ergonomic handles. The butterfly handles are designed to reduce fatigue, making it easy to operate for long periods. Whether you're working solo or with a buddy, this design makes it manageable. Fuel tank transparency. A translucent fuel tank lets you see when it's time for a refill. No guesswork involved. Now, every tool has its strengths and its quirks. Here's the lowdown, starting with the pros. Powerful and efficient. Handles dense soil and gets the job done quickly. Versatility. With 2 auger sizes included, it's perfect for a variety of tasks. Easy to use, the recoil start and ergonomic design make it approachable even for beginners. Now it's time for the cons. Fuel mixing required. It's a 2-stroke engine, so you'll need to mix gas and oil at a 25:1 ratio. Loud operation. Like most gas-powered tools, it's not exactly quiet. Grab some ear protection. Let's see what customers have to say about the product. After carefully looking at the pros and cons and customer feedback, this digger scores an impressive 4.3 out of 5 stars. Users love how much time and effort it saves compared to manual digging. They've praised its power and ease of use, but mentioned that rocky soil might require a little extra effort. All right, here's the bottom line. The DC House 52 gas-powered post-hole digger is a fantastic tool for anyone with a lot of digging to do. It's powerful, versatile, and straightforward to use, making it a great pick for both professionals and weekend DIYers. Just keep the fuel mix in mind and be prepared for a little noise, and you're good to go. Thanks for hanging out with me. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more product reviews. See you next time.